Hello everybody, welcome to Advanced Java Programming. In this lecture, we'll see the key listener interface in Java. So key listener interface deal with the keyboard. When we press any key, that is listened by the key listener in Java. Key listener interface contains three methods: key pressed in bracket key event object E, key released in bracket key event object E, and key typed. When we type any key, then this event is generated. Key listener listen the keyboard event. It is in a package java.awt.event.package. So how it is done in a Java programming? So let's we'll see. The Java key listener is notified whenever you change the state of the key. Means when we suppose when we press alphabet key A, so it is listened by the key listener. So when we press digit key from 0 to 9, it is listened by the key listener. When we press shift plus at the rate or other special keys, then it is also listened by the key listener. It is notified against the key event. Key listener interface is found in a java.awt event package. So let's moving on the real time example. I'm showing you how it is done in Java. So in this program, look at this: import java.awt star means we are importing abstract window toolkit package classes here. Second one is the import java.awt event for event handling, because key listener is in this package java.awt. So I'm creating a class key listener test extend from frame implement key listener. Here I'm using the interface key listener. So this interface contains three methods that are key released, key pressed, and key typed. So when we implement a key listener in any class, that class is responsible to redefine all these three methods of the key listener. So in this program, we just created two text field tf1, tf2. So this is the constructor of class key listener test. This is frame, that's why we set size of frame 300 comma 300. Now we create object tf1 equal to new text field and size is 10, means I am creating a text field up to 10 characters. Second, tf2 equal to new text field 10, again the two text fields are created. And by default frame having a border layout, now I am setting that border layout to set layout equal to new flow layout, and add a tf1 and tf2 on the frame. Now two text fields added on the frame. Now I attach tf add key listener. This is the registration of key listener. Until and unless you are not registering listener, the key listener not listen anything. It is must. So I am attaching for tf1 the set visible true. Now and frame display the set visible true. But in now public void key released key event int e dot get key code. So get key code, this is the method which returns the code of key which is pressed by the user. So rest of rest of functions, that is pressed and typed, is blank. Now just I am creating object of key listener test and save this program and just compile it and look at this Java C key listener test .java. Now run this. This is frame, that's why I'm using key listener. So look at this. In this frame, the two text fields are created by using these TF1 and TF2. So, and adding text field. Now when I press here A, there it is not showing anything in a text field 2. When I click 0, there is nothing, it is showing on here. Next, when I click star or hash, it is not showing anything. So I write code here. What will happen when we click key is pressed? So I'm writing a get key released code. If A is greater than equal to key event dot vk underscore A and A is less than equal to key event. So vk is constant values that are for every key. So it is started with vk and A. When I press A to Z key, then I am displaying a message TF2 in text box 2 TF2 that is set text, that alphabet key is pressed. So now I am saving it and recompiling it and running the. Now look at this frame is displaying. When I press A, it display alphabet key is pressed. When I press 0, it is not displaying that digit is pressed. So I am extending this code again for digit by using a new line, that is extend so here I am writing else if statement. Else if key event, this is for digit 0 to 9, that are the digits key. So here I am just changing the constant value, that is now the digit is pressed, digit key is pressed. And again for special key, now I am again extending this code by using else tf2 dot set text in bracket special character, special keys pressed. So just to save this program and compile it. And run this program. So look at this, frame is created. When I press 0, it is showing digit key is pressed. When I press shift plus 2, it's showing special key. When I click A, capital A or small a, it is displaying alphabet key is pressed. So hope you understand guys how it is done. So I am writing just a code for key released and the rest of two are blank. Okay, so these are I am not using these method here, just I use one method, key press key released. When key I am pressing key and release it, then that action is performed. So let